Hi. So for today's video, I am going to show you how you can buy your own website or how you can create your own website. So the first thing is to decide what is your domain name. So domain names can be like, for example, mine, febilunag.com. So actually that's the website name. Okay, so how do you do that? Where do you buy that? So there are a lot of domain registrars where you can buy your website from. There's you can search domain registration. Okay, you can start with domain registration. Where do you buy your domain names? Stuff like that. So for the sake of this tutorial, I am going to show you Bluehost because I bought my website name in Bluehost. Okay, so this is Bluehost. You need to sign up if you don't have an account yet. Just simply sign up. I already have an account, so I'm just going to log in. Okay, so here in my domains, when you go here, you can see the domains I have previously bought. So, okay, there. So this is my domain name, febilunag.com. I bought 2 years for this domain name. So it's going to expire on October 10, 2025. And then I also have here a domain name that doesn't have a hosting. So this one will still expire on September 3, 2023. However, I don't have a hosting for this yet. So for the hosting, that's another topic, okay? But for the domain name, you need to purchase a domain name. So first you have to decide what's your domain name. It can be your name like this one, and it can be other things, like for example, if you're like a travel blog, you could say bucketlist.com or anything. Yeah, so you have to decide on that first. And then for me, like for example, if I want to buy a domain name, I can say, let me check, um, febilunag.com. Let's just see. So once you click that, you'll have several suggestions here, like febilunag.net, febilunag.org, febilunag.co, febilunag.io. So it all depends with you. So we can also have like travel blogs. Let's see. There are some recommendations that you can have here. Blog domain names that were already taken, you cannot buy anymore, like this one, they were already taken. But there's one available, this one, travelblog.tech. Yep. Yeah, so you just have to decide the name of your website and check if it's already taken. Now let's see, if you are, for example, a digital marketer. Digital marketer, marketing, maybe let's just use that. Okay, so most of the domain names were already taken. Yep. Okay, but there are some that are still available, like this one, digital marketing that accountants, digital marketing that actor. Yeah, so several, it will suggest several domain names, but for in this case, like this one is already more expensive. It's at $39.99 per year. Yeah. Okay, yeah, so it depends with your domain name. If you're still starting, I recommend that you use your name. Like mine, I used my name, febilunag.com. Yep, like that's going to be more cheaper. For example, I use my maiden name. So I can have here febibasco.com. It's $12.99 a year. Febibasco.net, that's more expensive. So it will give you several recommendations for your domain name. Okay, so once you selected a domain name, for example, this one, if I want to buy this one, then I can add this to my cart. And then, for example, okay, and then you just proceed on buying this one. Okay, you just proceed, just follow the instructions here, and then afterwards you'll get the domain name. However, once you buy that, it won't be live yet because you'll need hosting for that. And that's what we are going to discuss in the next video. Okay, so thank you, and go and buy your domain name now. Okay, bye. Thanks.